Hello, hello, hello. Long time no see. Mga friendship. Okay. Nakoy, pakita niyo, oh. Aryo. What are they? Mao ni sila ang cheese nut. Yan, oh. Meron din dito, oh. Yan. Cheese nut. They are already growing. Nice, alright, Dad. Okay. Hopefully, marami tayong maitanim dito sa Talbot Farm. Mukha naman akong pagod, Lagi akong puyat. Kakagawa ng bag, right? Okay, that's it, guys. Bye!